Hello my lovelies, it's Ethony and welcome to my channel and First Impressions Fridays on my channel, and today we are going to be discovering together the Pixiekins deck by Paulina Cassidy, and I have got all of her decks. I'm really excited to go through this one. It is a daily inspiration deck and it features her very whimsical art for lots of little animals. I absolutely love it. It's got a 72 cards in here. That is a lot of cards. I love her. I love whimsical artwork. I love how detailed her work is. This is by US Game Systems, so you can get it anywhere that you buy decks. And I'm really excited to go through and see all these cute little animals. Like, I'm already in love with Maggie, the little octopus. I like my cephalopods. So let's go through this deck together. I'm going to change this camera and let's discover the Pixiekins Daily Inspiration deck.
Okay, my treasures, it's now time to discover the Pixiekins Daily Inspiration deck by Paulina Cassidy. I've just taken the plastic wrap off. This might be double wrap because it is US Game Systems, but I thought I'd get a head start on it. I already said how much I love Paulina's stuff, so I can't wait to get into it. Like, even look at the beautiful design. It is double wrapped. And I also love that, like, deep sea kind of really deep turquoise. I'm a real sucker for color, so when I find like my favorite brand of like watercolor paints comes out with a new one, I'm like, I don't really need it, but look at all the pretty colors. So it is double wrapped, so you can probably hear my scissors, so I'm just off screen, just cutting the edge. So this is a daily inspiration deck, so it doesn't have any guidebook as it doesn't need it. The size of the deck is pretty standard for an oracle. It has a nice, like, it's not matte laminate, it's standard US Game Systems, which means the cardstock is pretty good. Look how beautiful and detailed that line work is. Everything that Paulina does is so full of whimsy. I just love it. It's got this very light blue with a very small gradient in it. It's not gilded at all. So we're going to discover it together. So Pixiekins, I keep saying that, a daily inspiration deck. Okay, so we have a little bit of information around the deck. Let the spirit of the Pixiekins nudge you by helping your imagination take flight as you learn to harness fleeting inspiration. So there's a little bit here. So it is 72 cards. You get quite a lot of cards in this. So there's a little inspiration here. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. All right. Sir Norval Munchkinson, oh my gosh, escape the ordinary. Inquisitor G. Newt Shellman, get out of your shell and explore life. I already love these. I am a big fan of anything whimsical, anything magical. I would live in a fantasy land if you let me, which is one of the reasons why I love such immersive worlds like the Harry Potter series, the Lord of the Rings series, and even more modern ones. If I can escape to a fantasy land, then I absolutely will. So I am already in love with this. Hector, oh my gosh, I want Hector to be my friend. A new perspective can make the impossible possible. This is Elf, Elf Fairy, oh my gosh. Make a wish, take a chance, and make a change. Oh, look at this dress. I want it. Miss Ivy Von Fig, take time to make your soul happy. She's a little bit steampunk Alice in Wonderland, Mad Hatter. I think that's more Mad Hatter because of the Cheshire Cat looking. I love it. Benedicta. Every day is a new opportunity to be more daring version of yourself. I like that this is a little, like, Paulina Cassidy's work is, it's not Tim Burton, but I like the fact that it is that kind of like whimsical Dr. Seuss, Tim Burton out there kind of like awesomeness. So, which is something, if you're creating a deck or if you're doing artwork, never be afraid to lean into making things like whimsical and your own, because then you come up with beautiful things like this. Timothy, there really is magic within you. Timothy is living his best hour life. Cosmo and Flute, soar in the direction of your dreams. Sapling Girl and Corey, savor all the moments you can't put into words. Oh, I like that. There are definitely moments you can't put into words. Blossom Head, bloom brightly where you are planted. And there's so much detail in these cards. Now, my light is not the greatest in regards to doing this justice. It is just really hot outside, so I'm keeping it shady, so that's why I'm kind of like letting you see. Cuscos, gratitude shifts awareness, changing the world you see before you. But it is more pastel in colour. I like pastels quite a lot. Bitterbriar, Sophie and Sprig, the friends we meet along the way help us appreciate the journey. So obviously the colours are going to be a little bit brighter than, they're well defined basically. So if this is coming through a little bit dark, it's just my lighting in here. Ginseng, hold close your sense of wonder. So cute. Holly, Poppet and Endres, be the reason someone smiles today. That's gorgeous. Sir Cider Dutchington, worry less, create more. What a beautiful mantra for creators. I want this dress. Crystal, Tourmaline and Haru, your energy flows where your attention goes. This is true. So beautiful. Paulina, I love your work so much. Flapper and Bloodwing, true friends stick together every step of the way. And I have noticed that she does actually sign each one of her cards. But I like that it's a really non-intrusive. Like, if you want to sign your artwork, I get it, but also like I like it when it's done seamlessly. Elliot, let yourself rest. The world will keep spinning. It's true. I used to say this to myself when I had a lot of, I always have a lot of emails in my inbox, but when I had a lot of emails in my inbox in like my muggle job, I'd just be like, you know what, this is still going to be here tomorrow. I can like give myself a hot second. Luna Lee and Blazeberry, nurture yourself. It's essential to your well-being. Leonard roar a lot. Be brave enough to become who you are always meant to be. Oh my stars, I want to give that lion a big cuddle. Daddy Tequila Sundown. Hello, Daddy Tequila Sundown. You look like you're fun. You are the beat of your own drum. Betilda, you are the creative force that shapes your reality. Ali and the twins, like Benny and the Jets, make time to celebrate something no matter how big or small. Yay, flamingos! Miss He Be Hoot, being weird is a side effect of being awesome. I love that hard. As someone who was always a weird kid and is now just a weird person, I love my weird. I let my freak fly. Polly, Pumpkin and Finn, if there was ever a time to follow your passion, now is the time. I love this deck. This deck is definitely going into rotation. Chester, every day is a fresh new start. Oh, Piper and the Ghosties. Stand up for what you believe in and never let others steal your joy. Elm, take a walk to clear your mind. Kooky Cat, make a little mischief. Madam Saffron, the secret to happiness is the realization that life is a gift. Oh my gosh, so cute. Marionette and Dust Bunny, fitting in is boring. Be fiercely you. This is so true. Miss Moonfang, create a unique style, own it. The Astro Cats make today an adventure. Oh, I'm in love with this deck. It's so cute. Octo Girly, learning a new way to think helps you master a new way to be. Ace, you are amazing. Never forget it. Celestia and Catswell. Oh, they're so cute. Do more of what makes your spirit radiate. Nina and Thicket, love is the greatest healing therapy. Oh. Winnie, Tangles, and Zinfelder. What a great name. Believe in impossible things, sorry. There's no the there. Winston and Belfry. Today is the beginning of anything you want. Is everybody else like living for this deck? The Carnival Crusaders. Life is a carnival, revel in the ride. Babette Bloodroots. Everything that has ever happened formed the incredible being that you are. Oh my god, this is to die for. So cute. Count Nibbles. Oh my god. Let love sink its teeth into your heart. Oh my stars. I love this. That is so stinking cute. Jack and Aura, never miss a chance to dance. I love her too. I saw her on the back. Maggie, hug someone today. I love cuddles. Hugs are the best. Nothing better than a hug. And I love octopi. Ruby and the Fox Gliders, your vibe attracts your tribe. Amelia, courage is being yourself every day in a world that tries to conform you. I think if I had this deck when I was younger, I would have just like lived. I mean, I'm living for it now, but it really would have helped the fact that I never felt like I fit in as a kid. And now I realize what a gift that is, and I found my people, but it's a hard ride to get there. Nellie and Nora, good conversation is food for the soul. Like, this is perfect for like tweens, teenagers. I mean, me, I am not a teenager, but I'm living for this. Jezebel and Kazoo, never dim your light for others' sake of making, never dim your light for the sake of making others comfortable. I really would have loved this. Fiona Fluffington, if you stumble, make it part of the dance. Yes, if anyone remembers RuPaul's Drag Race, when that honey, oh, who was it? When she fell on the runway and then she like effortlessly sat into a sit and she did a 360 spin and posed. I was like, honey, that is how you fall. Because I would fall on the runway, like, no kidding. Penelope Quick Sparkle, get your magic on. She is super cute. Luna Tree, stay deeply rooted while reaching for the sky. Patsy and Jellyroot, give yourself permission to cut loose. Chester, inspiration can be found in the simplest things. Veronica, the quieter you become, the more you hear. That's true. The amazing things that you can pick up when you are not the one talking. Demelza and the Kitty Twins, fire up your power and make things happen. This is cute too. Professor Randolphus E. Bunsby, whether you think you can or you cannot, you were right either way. So like that looks a little dark, but it's actually not. It's a lot lighter. So again, I apologize for the light. It is just very hot here today. Evie and Snuggles. It's so funny. There was Winston and Evie, and my sister's dogs are Winston and Evie, and they both made an appearance in here. Remember to wear your self-confidence, rock it and own it. Insectina, do something to surprise yourself. Jupiter Cycrox, explore the unknown. Sir Sherman R. Snuffles, the secret to getting ahead is getting started. Oh gosh, yes. It's true. And then the secret to getting ahead is finishing. Rubykin, even the hardest puzzles hold a solution. Oh, this one is, oh my gosh, the next two are so beautiful. Rowan, let music be your nourishment. I mean, that is so gorgeous. And so is this one. Mira, Explore outside your element to discover new magic. Oh, the next one is 2. Oh my gosh, this deck, I'm living. Moss. Meditation can supply you with answers you need to hear. Benito Flickerfoot. Dreams demand hustle, hop to it, and do they ever? They demand a lot of work. Sir Edward. Your biggest fear might just contain your greatest growth. Oh my gosh. Figaro, 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 Figaro. You deserve the cherry on top. Yes, you do. Aquina. Don't stop moving ahead. Great things are on the horizon. Nyx, a day filled with laughter is a day well spent. Agreed. Ninja, break out of your shell. You were born to shine. Oh my gosh, so cute. Baron Lard McScratches. Face challenges that might be foolish enough to face you. Yes, it's a fierce Leo feels. And I love this one because I love owls. Horace, scatter love wherever you go. So if you haven't been listening for the last 15 minutes, I love this deck. This deck is super cute. It is so delicious. It is really whimsical. I feel like it would be such a great deck to bring to a tea party, or like, you know, if you're ever doing like high tea or an afternoon tea somewhere. Great for teens, tweens, and everyone. I love it. Anyone who loves whimsical magic. So it shuffles really well. It shuffles quite nicely. Let's see what we've got. Maggie. Of course, I said how much I loved Maggie. Hug someone today. Well, I have my little chicken here today, my son, and Thor. So I'm sure there's going to be lots of hugs. So I adore this. I can't wait to work with it. I will pop in the description box below where you can go and get this deck. It is US game system, so you are going to find that it is easy to find. Get it? Oh my gosh. It is on like Amazon. It'll be in a lot of bookstores. Go support your local bookstores. Or you can go get it. I'm pretty sure Paulina sells stuff from her website as well. This has been Pixiekins. Love it. It's so cute. And I hope you have a magical rest of your day. And as always, thank you so much for watching.